tuning in to AGrader. Here's what to expect. Today we have with us an experienced math curriculum writer, Miss Jennifer, who will share with us what a Primary 1 student will be learning for math in July. So Jennifer, what are they learning this month?
Okay, for July, P1 students will be doing numbers to 40 and some will be doing numbers to 100. So certain concepts like comparing and ordering, number patterns and number bonds are already taught previously.
Okay, so can you share with us what are some of the new things that they are taught this month?
Okay, so for numbers to 100, like as the numbers get bigger, so they will have to know how to read and write the numbers to 100. And on top of that, they will also learn how to do addition and subtraction. The numbers are now greater because it's up to 100. At the same time, they will be taught this algorithm method, which is actually the working method as we can see over here.
Okay, so will there be any word problems for them?
Yes, the word problems are actually similar to what they have learned previously, just that the numbers are greater. And actually, although models are taught in P2, but there are some teachers who actually introduce models at P1 so that they will be exposed to it earlier.
Okay, then can you highlight some things that the students should take note of or any concepts that they are weaker at?
Okay, so the difference between what they have learned previously from numbers to 20 up till now, which is numbers to 40 and 100, would be the writing of numbers, because previously when they learn up to 20, the numbers before that doesn't need to have a hyphen. But for now, numbers that are greater than 20 onwards, they will need to add a hyphen when writing the numbers, such as 20-3. At the same time, the common numbers that they often spell wrongly will be the 40, which they will spell it as F-O-U-R-T-Y, and 90, which they will spell it as N-I-N-T-Y. Yeah, so it will be good if parents take note of this and test them on and off so that they are clear about these spellings. Then at the same time will be the algorithm method for addition and subtraction. Students have to take note that they have to align the tens and ones in the correct place before they actually do addition and subtraction. At the same time, because now they will need to do regrouping when they are doing addition and subtraction, students have to be clear of the concept of borrowing, because there are quite a bit of careless mistakes that arise from here.
Understand. So do you have any challenging questions to share with us?
Okay, so for challenging question, we will take a look at this question over here where students face difficulty. So it is actually not a very straightforward questions, and at P1, students often do the operations that they see. So if we look at this question here, the square plus 5 equals to 30. So in order to find the value of the square, a lot of students, when they see plus, they will just take the answer to be 30 plus 5, which will give them 35.
Okay, but it seems like there will be a way to do it. So what can parents do to help their child then?
Okay, so firstly, we encourage students to write down the answer in the diagram itself and then check again to see if their answer is correct. So if they have done the 30 plus 5 and got 35 as the answer for the square, and they write it down inside the square, then they will realize that when they take 35 plus 5, it doesn't give them 30. So they know that this method is wrong. So what we can encourage them to do is to rewrite it as a number bond, which they have learned previously. So in this case, the whole is actually 30, and 5 and the value of the square are the parts. So in order to find a part, we will take the whole minus the other part, hence we will get 25.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. So you can actually get your child to try this question. Thank you very much.
To watch more of such videos and information to help your child improve and learn ahead of others in school,
visit our website www.agrader.sg, click on this button, fill in your email address and receive all these useful videos straight in your inbox for free,
as well as the latest in promotions, so that you don't lose out on great deals with AGrader Learning Center.